Welcome to our comprehensive guide on web development. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've dabbled in HTML and CSS, this video is your one-stop shop to level up your skills. We're going to break down the entire process, from the fundamental building blocks of the web to advanced concepts like responsive design and back-end development. Think of this video as your roadmap to navigating the exciting world of web development. Alright, let's kick things off with the backbone of any website, HTML. Think of HTML as the structure of your web page, kind of like the framework of a house. We use elements and tags to tell the browser what we're building. You've got headings, paragraphs, images. All these elements come together to form the basic layout of your site. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a solid understanding of how HTML works and be able to create your own basic web pages from scratch. Let's get to it. Now that we've got the structure of our web page down, it's time to inject some style. That's where CSS comes in. CSS is all about the presentation. It's like choosing the perfect paint colors, furniture, and decorations for your house. We'll explore different ways to apply CSS, from inline styles to external style sheets, and learn how to create visually stunning layouts. Get ready to unleash your inner designer as we dive into the world of typography, color palettes, and responsive design. HTML and CSS are great for creating static web pages, but what if you want to add some interactivity and make things really dynamic? That's where JavaScript comes in. JavaScript is the language of the web when it comes to adding those cool animations, handling user input, and making your website feel alive. We'll cover the fundamentals of JavaScript, from variables and data types to functions and control flow. We'll even build some fun interactive elements together, so you can see the power of JavaScript in action. It's like going from a flipbook to a full-blown animated movie. The possibilities are endless. We live in a multi-device world, and your website needs to look amazing on everything from a smartphone to a giant desktop monitor. That's where responsive web design comes in. We'll dive into techniques like media queries and flexible layouts to ensure your content adapts seamlessly to any screen size. We'll explore different approaches to responsive design and show you how to test your websites across multiple devices to ensure they're always looking their best. Responsive web design is essential in today's world, and we've got you covered. Ready to take your front-end development to the next level? Front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js are here to supercharge your workflow. These frameworks provide pre-built components and tools that streamline the development process, especially for complex web applications. The goal here is to give you a solid understanding of what these frameworks offer and how they can help you build more sophisticated and dynamic user interfaces. Think of it like this: if HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the ingredients, front-end frameworks are like having a professional kitchen and a set of recipes to help you create something truly amazing. So far, we've focused on the front end, the part of the website users see and interact with. But what about the behind-the-scenes magic that makes it all work? That's where back-end development comes in. We'll delve into the world of servers, databases, and APIs, the engine that powers your web applications. We'll explore popular technologies like Node.js and Express for building robust and scalable back-end systems. Time to pop the hood and see how it all works. In today's interconnected world, your website doesn't have to exist in isolation. APIs, or application programming interfaces, allow your website to talk to other applications and services, pulling in data and functionality to enhance the user experience. Imagine pulling in live data from a weather service, displaying real-time social media feeds, or even processing payments. APIs make it all possible. We'll walk through some practical examples and show you how to leverage the power of APIs to create more dynamic and feature-rich websites. This opens up a world of possibilities for your web development projects. As your web development projects grow in complexity, keeping track of your code changes and collaborating with other developers becomes crucial. That's where Git, a powerful version control system comes in. We'll guide you through the basics of Git, from creating repositories to branching and merging code changes. You'll learn how to track your progress, revert to previous versions if needed, and work seamlessly with a team. Mastering version control is an essential skill for any developer, and Git is the industry standard. Security is paramount when it comes to web development. We'll cover essential security concepts and best practices to help you protect your websites and web applications from common threats. You'll learn how to protect user data, secure your forms, and build secure authentication systems. Think of this chapter as equipping yourself with the knowledge and tools to build secure and trustworthy web applications from the ground up. You've poured your heart and soul into building an amazing website. Now it's time to share it with the world. In this final chapter, we'll walk you through the process of deploying your website, from choosing a hosting provider to getting your site live. We'll explore different hosting options, including popular platforms like Heroku, Netlify, and AWS, and discuss the pros and cons of each. You'll learn how to configure your domain name, set up SSL certificates for security, and optimize your website for performance. Get ready to celebrate your achievement. You've officially become a web developer. And there you have it, a complete journey from HTML newbie to confident web developer. We've covered a ton of ground, from the fundamentals of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to advanced concepts like back-end development and deployment. The web is constantly evolving, so embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop experimenting. Now go out there and build something amazing.